In July 2022, Gluon organized a week-long workshop in which Belgian teenagers prototyped innovative augmented reality solutions for the Greek SME Delmac Skills and the Belgian Sizing Service Lab. Teenagers were challenged to develop AR tools such as trainings and visualization tools for safety measures and more. The lab took place in the Open Media Lab of Erasmus Hogeschool Brussels under the guidance of the British artist duo Studio Above and Below and IT experts of Gluon. Next, we will present you the results of the lab. Let's get right into it. We start our presentation with the Avatar B203 by Oscar Malherbe and Jalil Ben Safi. They designed a manual where language is not a barrier. They did this for the DS302 D12 scale of the Delmac company. By means of projection, the Avatar B203 informs you about, for example, the danger of liquids on the scale, switching the scale on and off, the maximum weight, the correct voltage, and more. Afterwards, we have the Balanza 2.5 by Leslie Valdez and Isidore de Wilder. They developed an AR manual and promo stunt for the scale 2.5 that is of interest to both individuals and small businesses. With an AR application on the scale, you get a demo on how to use the scale correctly and scroll through Insta videos with customer reviews. Then we talk about the Delma Scale AR Manual and Promo by Lee Cassier and Elliot van Bunderen. The avatar of Lee and Elliot playfully provides information about the DS202D scale from the company Delmac. By pressing the augmented buttons, you get an explanation about the company and about the scale, size, battery life, maximum weight, etc. By pressing the Buy Me button, you are redirected to their website. The DNFS Junior Scale project is made by Edouard Sarpong. With Edward's detecting project, good use of the scale is assured. He developed two avatars that provide additional information about the Delmac scales. Avatar Toxic Stop warns of the dangers of using the scale incorrectly, while Avatar Goody provides general information for proper use. Both avatars are activated when Edward detects a drawing that he will later print on the scale. The final project is Richie Feelings by Abdurrahman Baouli Zrioul and Maher Berishi. Maher and Abdurrahman developed an application for the robot Richie from the Sizing Servers Lab. Empathy and expression of emotions play a primary role in the integration of robots into our daily lives. To give the customer an idea of to what extent robot Richie is humane, they added 3 virtual buttons for the basic emotions: happy, angry, and sad. The robot expresses its emotions by moving its antenna and by changing the color of its eyes. The VR lab took place within the framework of Better Factory, an European Stars initiative. We would like to thank the partners, sponsors, coaches, and participants who made this project possible.